In the Spring 18 release, we've enhanced our new Sales Cloud Macros feature in the Lightning Sales Console. Macros is designed to help your inside sales teams minimize manual data entry so they can work faster and spend more time selling. A macro is a set of instructions that automates activities that would otherwise require manual data entry. It's similar to a workflow process, but with one big difference. A business user can set it up right from the work area. With Salesforce Macros, it's easy to schedule an automation process without any help from an administrator, which can save you time in the sales process. Let's take a look at a macros. Here we're looking at a lead in Salesforce Lightning. In the footer of the screen, you can see the Salesforce utility bar. From this utility bar, you can open up macros, and here we can see the macros that have already been created. If I click on the information icon next to a macros, I can see what it does. In this case, this macros is called the Good Call Conversation Follow-up, and it's going to do three things: automatically send a thank you email, create a follow-up task, and update the product interest. All from one click. Now, if I wanted to, I could edit this macros very simply from this user interface. Or I could even create my own macros by clicking on the plus icon right here from this macro screen. Now let's take a look at what this looks like. Let's say I were to call my lead. I get them on the phone, we have a great conversation, and after the call, I decide I want to use macros to save time. So I click on macros, and I go ahead and double tap the good call conversation. From here, automatically, macros is going to send the email and create the task, the follow-up task, and update the product interest all for me. So it's done all of that in just one click, saving me a ton of time. So this is just one example of how you can use the new macros feature to work faster and spend less time on manual data entry and have more time for selling.